Good morning, children. Today we'll study Chapter 9 Water as a Resource. In this video, we will discuss about change in states of water and water cycle. Water is the most commonly found liquid on earth. Human beings, plants, and animals need water. You already know that ice, water, and water vapor are three different states of water. Forms of water and water cycle. Mother is boiling some water in a vessel. She goes inside for some work and forgets about the water. After some time, when she returns back, she finds that the water level has decreased. Do you know why the water level decreased? Water exists in three forms in nature. These three forms are ice, water, and water vapor. Here, water is the liquid state of water. Ice is the solid state of water. And water vapor is the gaseous state of water. Water changes its form either on heating or on cooling. When water is heated, it's changed into water vapor. This changing of water into water vapor is called evaporation. Water vapor on cooling changes into water. This changing of water vapor into water is called condensation. The process in which water keeps changing its form is called water cycle. Water cycle can be defined as a series of steps which involve the change of water into water vapor and then back to water. Let us see the steps one by one. Water in water bodies such as rivers, ponds, lakes, oceans and seas evaporates due to the sun's heat and changes into the water vapor. Being light, the water vapor rises up into the sky. High up in the sky, the air is cooler. When these vapors meet the cold air, they cool down to form water droplets through condensation. On coming together, these water droplets form clouds. On becoming too heavy to remain in air, these water droplets fall down as rain, which is very important for the growth of crops. The rain water then goes back to ponds, lakes and rivers. Then it goes into the seas and oceans. From the surface of these water bodies, water again start evaporating and start converting into water vapor. This is how the water cycle goes on repeating in nature and helps in maintaining the water level on the earth's surface. Children, watch this video and try to understand about water, states of water and water cycle. Thank you, children.